Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the magical world of the law of attraction and how you can manifest your dreams with a vision board. Whether you want to achieve personal goals, attract wealth, or find inner peace, a vision board can be a powerful tool to turn your dreams into reality. Creating your vision board. Creating your vision board is a fun and creative process. It's all about bringing your dreams and goals into a visual format that you can look at every day. Here's how to get started. Creating your vision board. Gather your materials. Physical vision board, poster board or cork board, magazines, scissors, glue, markers, and decorations. Digital vision board, apps like Canva or Pinterest. Define your goals. Think about what you want to achieve in different areas of your life. Career, health, relationships, personal growth, etc. Write down your goals to have a clear idea of what you want to manifest. Select inspiring images and words. Choose pictures and words that resonate with your goals and desires. Focus on images that evoke strong emotions and represent your dreams vividly. Arrange and personalize. Organize your images and words on the board in a way that feels right to you. Add personal touches like your own photos, drawings, or meaningful symbols, using your vision board effectively. Now that your vision board is ready, it's time to put it to work. Here's how to use it effectively to manifest your dreams. Place it where you'll see it daily. Position your vision board in a spot where you'll encounter it every day, like next to your bed or in your workspace. The more you see it, the more it will reinforce your goals in your subconscious mind. Engage with your vision board. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your goals as if they are already achieved. Feel the emotions associated with your successes and immerse yourself in the experience. Combine with positive affirmations. Use affirmations that align with the images on your vision board. Repeat these affirmations daily to boost your belief and motivation. Stay open and flexible. Be open to unexpected opportunities that align with your goals. Adjust and update your vision board as your goals evolve. Enhancing the manifestation process. To truly amplify the power of your vision board, you can incorporate these additional practices into your daily routine. Practice gratitude. Keep a gratitude journal and write down things you're thankful for every day. Gratitude raises your vibration and aligns you with the positive energy of your desires. Take inspired action. Act on opportunities and ideas that come your way, even if they seem small. The law of attraction works best when combined with proactive steps toward your goals. Maintain a positive mindset. Surround yourself with positivity and stay focused on what you want to achieve, not on what you lack. Replace negative thoughts with empowering ones and keep your energy high. Creating and using a vision board can be a transformative experience. By clearly visualizing your dreams and consistently engaging with your vision board, you align yourself with the powerful energy of the law of attraction. Remember, the journey to manifesting your dreams begins with a single step, and your vision board is a fantastic place to start. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on personal growth and manifestation. Share your vision board experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your journey. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep manifesting.